Sino to? Alex, hudas at hudas.
Arjun Amazon.
Nothing, sir. We will just planting the wet grass.
Sino yan?
We're planting the wet grass. Wet grass. Wet grass. Hello, it's the wet grass. Drag Lord, it's the download. Greetings everyone. So we will now present the role playing of the Tukol Neulay, a Tivoli Creste. Once upon a time, in the middle of the wetlands in the forest, a snake crawls out into the middle. And the story of the snail, how they meet. So, snake crawls through wet grasses. Snake crawls through the wet grasses.
How are you doing?
Snake wonders where the loud echoing voice comes from, then goes on crawling. Snake unhides from the shell and greets again.
How are you doing?
Snake catches the sight of the shell and wonders why the voice sounds much less. Snake pulling its shell crawls through the wet grasses and screams.
How are you doing?
Snake quickly swallows the shell, not seeing the snail outside it. Snake crawls fast away, greeting again.
How are you doing? How are you doing?
And again. Snake senses the snail voice becoming like whispers.
How are you
He
doing?
says,
I'm okay.
"Let's in my colors to beat towards the snake."
That's in my color. Snake.